Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. Today, we are talking about something very important in real life, feelings. How to express them, how to understand them, and how to talk about them in English. Exactly. Because if you can talk about your feelings, you can communicate better everywhere. School, work, friends, even interviews. So today, we will learn common feelings, strong feelings, and some natural English expressions. Part 1. Simple feelings. Let's start easy. How are you today? I am great. The weather is nice, so I feel happy. What about you? I am good, but a little tired. I slept very late yesterday because I watched a long movie. Oh no, I hope you sleep early tonight. I hope so too. So look, we used two phrases. I am happy, I feel happy. Both are correct, but I feel is usually for right now, this moment. I am can be longer, like a personality. Part 2. Talking about happy. What makes you feel happy? Food, especially pizza. When I eat pizza, I feel happy instantly. Same here. I feel happy when I finish all my work or sit in a clean room. A clean room equals a happy mind. Part 3. The opposite of happy. The opposite of happy is sad. I feel sad when it rains for many days. I feel sad when I say goodbye to my family after visiting them. Sadness is normal. It means you care. Part 4. Tired, hungry, thirsty. I feel tired when I don't sleep enough. My eyes get heavy. I feel tired after running, but I feel hungry right now. It's only 10 a.m. I only ate one banana. Okay, you win. I feel thirsty. I want some coffee. Part 5. Strong feelings. Excited and nervous. Sometimes I feel very happy. That is excited. I feel excited before a holiday or a trip. But sometimes I also feel nervous before flying. Nervous means worried or unsure, like before speaking on stage. Yes, but speaking with our viewers makes me happy again. Part 6. Angry. No one likes this feeling. Angry. I feel angry when there is heavy traffic and I'm late. I feel angry when I cannot find my phone. What do you do when you're angry? Deep breath, count to 10, sometimes cold water. Good idea. I talk to myself. Relax, you will be okay. Part 7. Surprised, scared, relaxed. Surprised means something unexpected, like a friend visiting with a gift, or seeing a spider on your wall. That's a bad surprise. Spiders scare me. I feel scared after watching ghost movies. Then watch something happy. Part 8. Mixed feelings. Sometimes feelings mix. You can be nervous but excited, tired but happy, scared but curious. Exactly. There's no perfect single word for everything. Part 9. Feelings about others. When your friend is sad, you feel sorry for them. You say, I'm sorry you're sad. How can I help? When someone is happy, you say, I'm happy for you. When someone needs help, we feel sympathy. Part 10. More feelings. Proud, impatient, confused. I feel proud when I learn something new. I feel impatient in long lines. I feel confused when English speakers talk too fast. Part 11. Worried and love. Worried is a quiet, nervous feeling, like when your sister is late. Yes, because you love her. Love is the biggest feeling. Part 12. Disappointed and lonely. I feel disappointed when plans get canceled. I feel disappointed when my football team loses. I feel lonely when you feel alone, but you can call a friend, go for a walk, or come watch our videos. Ending. All feelings are okay. Talking about feelings helps us understand ourselves. So try these expressions today. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel worried. Practice makes your English and your heart stronger. Thank you for watching Hashmi English Tutor. See you in the next video.